And today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove recommended on your startup on the Windows 11. So first of all, of course, if you have the Windows 11 on your PC already, that will be great. But if you don't, you will normally have Windows 10, and of course you will already found the option to upgrade into Windows 11, and you maybe don't want to do that, but I suggest you to do that. So make sure to just go and download it, and of course you can download this in the background and keep using your PC while downloading. And once it's downloaded, they will actually ask you to restart your PC, so you'll finally have your Windows 11. So once you restarted your PC, you will have your Windows 11 done, and as we said, you would like to remove something recommended on your startup from Windows 11. So if you want to do that, you can just click at the Windows key on your keyboard, or you can click at the Windows icon, which is the startup menu, with your mouse. Do whatever suits you, click here or click with your keyboard, and as you can see, you will have this recommended list here. Of course, if you click at more, you will see more recommended lists here, and if you want to remove any of those recommended lists, simply you'll have to click at whatever you want to remove from here, right click on it, and as you can see, you can actually open the file location for this, or you can remove from lists. This will actually work with any other thing here on this recommended. Click here, click as remove from list, look for this, remove from list. Of course, this works even with this pinned apps. If you click on this as an example, let's choose this one. As you can see, you can pin to taskbar or unpin from task or from the start, and as you can see, it will not be there anymore. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.